salamat po, Ma'am Ana Risa Katubig, sa magandang pagpapakilala. Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Isang taus-pusong pagbati po sa ating mga kagalang-galang na pinuno, sa ating punong bayan, Vice Mayor, mga kagalang-galang na konsihal at sa ating kapitan ng barangay, at mga kalihim ng kagawaran ng edukasyon. Gayon din, isang mainit na pagbati sa ating punong lalawigan at sa ating kagalang-galang na kinatawan ng distrito at sa ating punong guro. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I would like to thank the school administrations, the teachers, and everyone behind the event for inviting me to be your guest speaker today. It's truly an honor to stand here and celebrate this very important milestone with all of you. Sa ating mga magulang at guro, thank you so much for your love, support, and guidance. At sa ating mga graduate, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Standing here today bring back so many memories. 20 years ago, I was sitting exactly where you are now. Feeling excited, nervous, and honestly, a little unsure of what your future would bring. I was once a valedictorian, just like what some of you achieving today. But to be honest, when I was invited to be your guest speaker, naisip ko talaga, bakit ako? Hindi pa naman ako sobrang successful. Wala pa akong malaking title, at hindi pa ako yung tipo na masasabi mo na malayo na yung narating. So I asked myself, ano bang may babahagi ko sa inyo? And then I realized, maybe I'm here not because I've already made it, but because I'm still on my way. Maybe I'm here to tell you the truth that not everyone talks about. Akala ko noon, kapag valedictorian ka, sigurado na ang success mo. But as I grew older, I realized that life is not just about medals, grades, or awards. Life will test you in a ways that school exam never will. Alam ko hindi na maging madali ang journey nyo. There were times na napagod kayo, na-stress, at minsan napaisip kung kakayanin pa. But look at you now, you made it. At narating nyo ang araw na ito dahil sa inyong sipag, tiyaga, at determinasyon. Gusto ko lang mag-share ng konti tungkol sa experience ko sa trabaho. When I was 13, hindi rin naging madali ang lahat. I experienced rejection. Maraming beses akong hindi tinanggap sa mga ina-applyan kong trabaho. There were moments na I doubted myself. Feeling ko hindi ako good enough. Pero doon ko natutunan na rejection is not the end. It's God's redirection. Sa first job ko, honestly, hindi yun ang dream job ko. Napasok ako bilang sales assistant, nagbebenta ng mga gadgets, naglilinis ng shop, nagpupunas ng mga salamin, nagbibigay ng mga flyers sa mall at sa mga kalsada at tulay. Nahihirapan ako at maraming beses gusto ko nang sumuko. But I choose to stay, to learn, and to grow. Unti-unti, na-build ko ang confidence ko. Natuto akong makisama at na-realize ko na every experience is a stepping stone. Hanggang sa na-promote ako as sales supervisor, hindi nagtagal, pinadala ko sa ibang bansa para mag-training. At pag-uwi ko, nakita nila na natapos kong kurso at doon na nagsimula na makamit ko ang pangarap kong trabaho. Ngayon ay isa akong senior accountant sa isang pribadong kumpanya na nag-a-handle ng iba't ibang account sa iba't ibang bansa gaya ng US, Canada, Singapore at Australia. Meron na din kaming munting pinagkakakitaan na kainan ang templado posible. Sa real world, hindi lang talino ang mahalaga. What really matters is your attitude, your discipline, respect, and willingness to learn. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, kung wala kang magandang work ethic, mahihirapan kang mag-succeed. One important lesson I learned is this. Don't be afraid to start small, because big dreams always begin with the small beginnings. Kung darating ang time na piling nyo na pag-iiwanan kayo, don't compare your journey with others. Iba't iba tayo ng timeline. Just keep going, keep improving, and trust God's plan for you. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, patience, and consistency. Success is not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Hindi mo kailangan maging successful agad para masabing may narating ka na. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka tumitigil. To all graduates, remember this. Dream big kahit parang imposible. Work hard kahit walang nakakakita. And believe in yourself kahit may nagdududa. Hindi kailangan maging pinakamagaling palagi. Ang mahalaga, you keep improving, you keep trying, and you keep going. And never forget to take God in every step of your journey. Siya ang magiging gabay nyo sa bawat desisyon, sa bawat pangarap, at sa bawat hamon na haharapin nyo. To the parents and teachers, thank you for your endless support, patience, and love. Hindi magiging posible ang tagumpay na ito kung wala kayo. And to the graduates, this is your moment. Celebrate it, be proud of yourselves, but remember, this is just the chapter of bigger story. One day, you will stand here too, not as students, but as professionals, leaders, and inspirations to others. Kaya habang maaga pa, start building your dreams because the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Once again, congratulations graduates. Continue to shine, continue to dream, continue to make your families proud. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga